Hello, this is Alberto Abadía, CEO of HoloNeos, and today's video is about the future of AI. Let's start this topic by talking about the present. AI corresponds to what is usually known as defined by a professor in Harvard called Christensen, a disruptive innovation. We can think of several disruptive innovations in the past, like the invention of internet, computers, smartphones, and they follow always the same process. There is some invention, and inventors and big companies that are trying to capture value are the first ones that show up. And then it comes a period of innovation. Innovation is different from invention because inventors focus on the technology and innovators focus on the product. So what we are seeing now is a field, AI, that is completely dominated by the first two groups, by innovators that are focused on the technology and not so much on the people, the regular people using those technologies, and big companies that do understand this has some value, but they also have problems capturing the value because they have their own products and they cannot risk too much trying to invent something new. So the current context is very simple. We have a situation where AI is not friendly. You don't know how to use it, you don't know how to enter this world, you don't know what is coming next, what is exactly AI, and this is not your fault. This is the context that happens in disruptive innovations. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense that you have to take 3 courses and 3 weeks in some big university in order to understand AI. This is very similar to the situation when Excel and Word were invented and people were taking courses of 3 weeks to learn about it. In the future, you will be perfectly able to command anything related to AI. And it's not going to happen because you're going to take all these courses and you're going to be learning, but because the market will adapt to you, okay? Obviously, at the beginning, internet was very complicated and now you command it with no problem at all. The same that computers, the same that the smartphones, all of it came to you with the invention of things like the iPhone or other tools that were making your and products that were making your understanding of the technology easier and you could use it. The way I describe it is with the example of the phone. At the end of the day, intelligence is simple. You don't want to have a phone that you have to basically have 20 or 200 choices in order to make a phone call. You want something simple. And this is how it's going to work. AI will adapt to you very soon through the progress of the market and the progress of the products that you receive. Thank you. We welcome your questions in our channel and see you soon.